do we have here? Whew. We got a fresh set of Tech 10s. Huge shout out to the baby mama and her OnlyFans career. Paying off right. We got them in the black-white combo. I've actually never had this combo, so I'm kind of stoked on it. It's going to look sick. I've always had all white or the black and red ones, but these ones are looking clean. I'm pumped. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Dude, my hair be looking hella... I'm not even gonna say it. Hold up. That's better. Every time I get a bad haircut, we gotta put on the hat. Rock the Tulip Media hat. Let's go. Anyways, whew, I am out of breath. COVID really kicked my ass in. I cannot catch my breath to save my life. Anyways, we're back, baby. We're gonna be doing some bike work today. My buddy's got a old Rm250 that he wants me to come film him putting back together and hopefully start today. So let's go do that. He also wants to check out the 250, so that's what we're also gonna do. Show him the 250 and then do that. All right, so the 250 is all loaded up. We're ready to go. We're gonna be heading to his house now and let's go check out this Rm250. Bike's looking clean back there though. Whew, this thing's sick. Got the steel frame. I think we need to build us an RM, maybe a CR. I don't know yet. See what happens in the future, but dude, this thing looks clean. So I did something that I never should have done. And I don't know why I ended up doing it, but I ended up deleting all the footage off of my camera, which I had already thought that I put it on my hard drive, but it was kind of crazy yesterday and everything, and yeah, I ended up doing that, and it's a big rookie mistake. I'm gonna get some of the footage off my phone and go ahead and do like a little voiceover and then kind of explain to you what we're doing on some of the clips. So we're gonna get into that right now. Right here we have just installed the gears into the case, and he is making sure that the gears aren't getting bound up on each other and everything is shifting as it should. Now we're moving on to installing the crank into the case, while the left side case with the gears in it. The crank was frozen for about a month and a half, 2 months, I guess. He's been busy with school, so he hasn't been able to work on this at all. But everything seems to be going smoothly. It's going in like butter. We're using the Tusk crankshaft install / remover tool, and it's one of the tools I highly recommend, so that way you can put this thing in without damaging it like I usually do. Right now he's lubing up all his holes so that way his shaft slides in super nice and smooth and doesn't get caught, because it definitely hurts when you jam that in. Okay, that wasn't appropriate. Anyways, we're going to get this right side of the crankcase on and move on to making sure everything works. So right here, we're just making sure that the crankshaft spins freely, which it obviously does. So we must have done something right, I guess, maybe. Alright, so we got the backyard mechanic thing going, which is cleaning the clutch baskets with brake clean on the dirt. So now we're working on the clutch side of the case, which is the right side. We're going to be throwing the Kickstarter on, and then lube up all our bearings and everything that needs lube, so that way nothing seizes. And then we will be putting on the clutch. Alright, so right here we have already installed the Kickstarter and all the gears that revolves around that. We got the shift shaft in there, and right now we're working on the gear selector portion of this side of the case. So right here we are working on the shift selector gear mechanism thing. This thing has pause on it, which is why it's a little bit more complicated than I remembered when I worked on a old RM, but everything seemed to be fitting into place and got it all good to go. Now that that's in, we're throwing some Loctite on these screws so that way that they do not come loose, because that would definitely not be a good time at all. So right here we already got the clutch basket and all that stuff in. We're just going to be throwing in the discs, and this part should be pretty much done after this. And with that, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video a little bit, at least. Maybe got some knowledge, maybe laughed at the funny video in the beginning. But like I said, I did do a rookie mistake and I deleted my footage, thinking that I uploaded it to my hard drive, which I really didn't, which, yeah, I'm not even gonna go there. But we'll be back next week, next Monday's vlog. So we got a lot to do. We got some new parts for the KX250. We're also gonna be talking about the build that we're gonna be doing with it. So just a little heads up. I know you guys know that Kawasaki came out with their KX450 SR. Kind of bugs me that they don't do that with like the 250. So I kind of want to do my own little twist on the 450 SR, but using the 250. So we will get into that more next video. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, help push this video to the top so that way we can get more views and more subscribers. I'll see you guys next Monday. We out.